Now I need you to watch how some people make a living. For all those said lazy Nigerians, now this is a very hard-working Nigerian. Because I, for one, cannot do this. Now watch. Wait for it. Wait for it. There you go. You see that? Be patient, people. He's coming right back up. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. You see that? That's for him to take a deep breath, and then he's going right back into water. Watch it. Wait for it. Alright. Back inside. Watch it. I'm not baby girl. Just wait for it. The real magic is about to happen. Another breath. Another breath.
Just to get sand.
Yes. And he gets paid for getting those. Back in. Heavens no, I can't do this. Now that Bess is a very hard-working Nigerian. Meanwhile, this is Olo River. Ma River in Olo. Mam River in Olo. In Oji River of Enugu State. Of Enugu State, yes baby.
Can't get it though.
He's trying to catch a breath, and then he'll go right back into the... Guys, you see what I'm saying? You see that?
My brother, you're a celebrity already.
You see that?
Oh my God.
You see that? Man, that's some serious thing.
Don't worry, I'll go hang.
Brother, will you tell us your name, please? Brother, you can go when you're faggy. Yes, sir. You can go with my faggy. Kenneth. Daluolu, oh Kenneth. Daluolu.